Very good afternoon, students. So today we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter 10, time. So today we will do let us assess of this chapter. So first question given in this, write the time shown by the clock in at least two ways. So first clock, you can see here the minute hand is pointing at 12 and hour hand is pointing at 2. That means the timing is, we know that the timing is 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or you can write 2 hours 00 minutes. Okay, so this also you can know that when minute hand is pointing at 6, that means it is a half past what, 6 or 7, but when it comes in between, it has not been reached till 7, that means half past 6 it is. So timing is 6:30 here. Next come here, what is the name given to the year that has 366 days? So the year which is having 366 days, that means 366 days have which year? We already know that leap year is having, the year which is having 366 days, we called it a leap year. As in the month of February there are 29 days. The next question number 3, the Animal World's program on TV starts at 8 o'clock and finished at 9 o'clock. For how long did it last? So to find out this, that means when a clock is pointing here at 8 and minute hand here 8. So to move here, that means this minute hand will move one around and this will move from here to here, that means 1 hour, 60 minutes it's going to complete. And so for how long does it work? You can say that 60 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, then next come to question number 4, complete the following table: yesterday, today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday given here. What will be the day before? It will be Thursday. It will be Thursday. No, it will be Tuesday, because Thursday is the tomorrow, not yesterday. Yesterday will be, students, it will be Tuesday. What it will be? It will be Tuesday. Okay. So in this way you will do this rest question also, as we have already done. So question number 5, write the date and month for each of the following special days. So New Year. So we know when we celebrate New Year, 1st of January. So that's why written. So Christmas Day, it's going to come in this month only. That is, we celebrate Christmas Day on December 25. So you will write here December 25. Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October, Republic Day, Christmas Day and Teachers Day you will do by yourself. Okay students, all the best to you all. If you will have any doubt, then we will discuss that in the tomorrow's Google Meet class. Thank you.